What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video is an update on HYLN and how it relates to some other plays that we're in and something I want you to keep an eye on. But hey, before we get into that, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on a journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, I'm back at it for video number 2 on the day. Still showing you guys today I took a little beat down, okay? That is what's going to happen some days in the stock market. Nothing that I panic about, nothing that I want you to panic about. Hey, listen to my new investors. As you get more seasoned and more grounded in the stock market, you'll handle your down days a lot better. So just know it's nothing to panic about. They're only paper losses. I'll talk to you guys more about that in another video, what paper losses and what unrealized losses really are, so that you know that you don't have to really worry, okay? But listen guys, I wanted to talk to you about a couple things, man. And shout out to Reddit, Wall Street Bets, anybody that's living in those areas. Rock with them. I don't even know if they know about me, but send them some love from me to them. They can corner the market over here. Let them know I'm gonna dominate the market over this way, and together we can overcome some of what I'm seeing. Today I want to talk to you guys about a few of our plays that they try to label as Reddit plays or whatever, and this is a way for them to have a legitimate reason or try to come up with one to stall the progression of some of our plays, okay? Again, I'm a competitive by nature, so I love this kind of stuff. It just gives me one more reason to crush Wall Street, okay? And I'm gonna take all you guys on the journey with me in doing so. So buckle up. But today I want to teach you guys about something I want you to pay attention to. I'm gonna talk to you about HYLN, but I'm gonna use Golden Nugget and APXT as an example I want you to pay attention to. Let's dive into both of those real quick. I'm going to start off with APXT, ticker symbol APXT. You guys know this is Apex Technology, sitting at $14.76. Today I want to highlight this momentarily. Listen guys, short term is going to hit 20 before taking off to 40. Let me make sure that I re-emphasize and give guidance on what these are. Guys, they can't stop proving winners, okay? It's inevitable that these plays will go. They're prolonging the process, but after a while, they're gonna bust through the gates and there's gonna be nothing they can do, okay? Listen guys, I want you, if you have this play in the 14s like right now, this is a great buy zone. Of course, I like it in the 13s, but the 14 range is where they have found support. So I want you guys to make sure, if you haven't already, get your position. If you have went heavy in this, guys, it's okay to put a cap on it, okay? I just want you to now sit back in this with making reference to what HYLN did today. Did you see the move that HYLN had? Trust me and believe me, I've been doing this a lot longer than most. This play will do the same thing. When you least expect it, right when you about to sell, it's going to take off that same exact way. Matter of fact, I got another one for you. You guys know this is GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gaming. It's sitting at, I can't believe it, $17.65. I haven't seen it hit 17 in so long, I can't remember. It don't matter guys, we bought this play at $13. So like I tell you all the time, the market would damn near have to crash in order for me to ever truly be losing in a play, okay? I'm the most realist and transparent guy in the game, especially on YouTube, so I show you all the down days. However, look at this. Let's just look at it one more time. I'm still up 30% in a play that's getting crushed. That is what I'm talking about. It'll be years before it ever come to 13, if it ever come to 13 at all. However, what I want you to know, look, this stock did its thing on Super Bowl Sunday, okay? Streaming was through the roof. This stock crashed, DraftKings crashed, FanDuel crashed, William Hill crashed. Every single online fantasy football gaming stock crashed. No reason it should be 17. We're not going to worry. You see what HYLN did today? This play, when you least expect it, it's going to do the same type of thing. It's going to have the same type of move, okay? If you got your position, don't add another dollar. Sit on it. Put it in the bottom of your portfolio and forget about it, okay? I don't want you even thinking about this play or APXT just because our position should be fully built in this by now, okay? And then when it take off, we'll revisit it. I'll always touch on it every now and then just to make sure you guys are in a winner, okay? You see the way that OGI fell today. You see the way that other plays have failed over the last 2 weeks, okay? These won't fall like that, and that's the difference, okay? There's a reason for that. I need to teach you guys that too. The reason why this ain't coming down past 13 or 17, okay? But that's neither here nor there. Make sure you hold these because when they take off, it's going to look very similar to HYLN. Speaking of HYLN, let's check this out. Hell of a move today with HYLN, ticker symbol HYLN, sitting at $20.43. Listen guys, this one, again, when you least expect it, when nobody was looking, it crept up from 15, blew through 20, okay? This is what it's all about, man. You never know. Well, if you meet and you do the research the way that I do, you know when these plays are going to take off. You know that they're going to take off. Let me just say that, okay? However, this is one that I know you guys are in. This is one of our long-term plays, and it finally woke up, okay? Don't mean it won't cool off. Don't mean it won't go higher. However, I want you guys to see this type of move and be thinking about APXT. See this type of move and be thinking about golden nugget, okay? Guys, it can happen in a flash when you least expect it, okay? That's the beauty of investing. You can't time it, and it's not logical. I won't belabor the point. I just wanted to highlight another one of our plays that's doing this thing today, okay? Listen guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is short-term volatility. Listen guys, in the stock market, you are going to experience days where your stocks will go up and down. You will experience days when your stocks will cool off, and you will experience short-term volatility. Right now, if you're listening to this, I want to give you guys some guidance on plays like OGI and other plays that has ran up. They're going to cool off. Allow them to cool off, and if you find a price that you like them at, okay, I'm talking about when they're cooling off. If they come down far enough and you say, you know what, they're attractive to me at this level, I want you to jump back in them. You know what to do. I give us the guidance so we know how to dominate the market. Wall Street, they can't figure out where all this new retail mania coming from, but they don't know how we get it in over here, guys. Listen, let the play cool off because you want to see where it kind of settles at, okay? That's what I mean, okay? So tomorrow you might just watch it. Put it back on your watch list. Friday, you might say, you know what, I'm ready to go to town, or you might wait till Monday. However, be ready. Be having your dry powder on the side ready to go, because when it's time to pounce, I want us taking full advantage, guys. We're going to run all of these plays up as well as all of our other plays, okay? So get ready to continue to dominate all 2021. I'm not for no games in the stock market, and I'm especially not for no games in helping you all succeed and win on a consistent basis. Up next, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Jermaine Bryan. He says, Chris, should I take profits when I'm long-term on a play? Dipping is part of the game. I don't want to be an emotional investor, so I'm uncertain about this point, Chris. Please further elaborate this point, please. Jermaine, this is a phenomenal question. I thank you for sending it, guys. In case you don't know, or in case you didn't get the memo, I am what's called a long-term investor. I am what's called, or what I call, a buy and hold guy, okay? Meaning, I do the research for you and me. I pick the best stocks in the game, and then I hold them long term. Yes, I might teach you all the tricks of the game, rinse and repeat, trailing stop loss, limit, sell order, all that kind of stuff. But typically I'm buying low and I'm holding through any dip, any correction, any type of volatility, and I just kill the stock market, okay? Some of you might not be set up to be long-term investors, meaning holding 1 year minimum or longer, 1 to 3 years for me to be exact. But listen, guys, when you are a long-term investor, you don't have to be in the rat race as much as trying to get in and get out of plays. Yes, I teach you the game. However, I very seldomly had to use rinse and repeat because I just buy low. I just bought fuel cell at $7.76 and I've rolled it all the way up to $26, $27, $28 where it's set. I didn't get in and get out of it. Why? Because for me, I'm a long-term investor. However, I got over 250,000 of you guys that come to me, and you guys have different investing strategies, so I give you the game so that you can dominate with all those various strategies, okay? But when you're long term, no, you don't have to get in and out of plays. However, you need to decide for yourself, how long do you want to be in a play, and at what point do you want to begin taking profits. Taking profits can be selling all of your shares or a portion of your shares, meaning your cost basis, and you let what you've earned ride, okay? You always have decisions you have to make, but you need to choose for yourself which one you want to go, which route you want to go when it comes to those things. So listen, man, this was a great question. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you all in the next one.